Welcome to Apex Technocast, manufacturer and exporter of zinc door handle and drawer pull Kadi. The company was established in the year 2009. Our in-depth domain knowledge and stringent quality checks help us to achieve a present repute in the market. Convenient monetary transaction, glossy appearance, and large production capacity make us stand apart from all brands. We bring forth a wide range of door handles, zinc drawer pull Kadi and door handles for hotels. Our zinc pull and door handles are widely appreciated in the market. We also provide zinc door pull and hardware handles that are available at industry-leading prices. Our zinc furniture and cabinet handles are appreciated amongst our clients for superior quality. We also provide drawer and zinc drawer pull Kadi that are a class apart. Our door handles for hotels, offices, and homes are extremely reliable. To get more information, log on at www.apextechnocast.in.